Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter 2 whole number for class 6. Remaining question we will complete in next video. Please watch the video and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. The number 144 can be represented by 12 into 12 square grid. Which of the following can also represented on a square grid? 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 can represent on square grid. Here 81 means 9 into 9. 81 can also represented on square grid. D is the right answer. Question number 2. The property satisfied by the division of whole number is closure property, commutative property and associative property are the properties for addition and multiplication. So D is right answer. Question number 3. 25 into 22 into 25 is equal to 25 into 22 into 25 is an example of dash property. Here we consider A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. It is the associative law of multiplication. So B is right answer. Question number 4. Closure property is satisfied in whole number with respect to addition and multiplication. So C is right. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is not true? Option A. Every whole number has a successor. Whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Every whole number has a successor. 0 successor is 1, 1 successor is 2, 2 successor is 3 and so on. So A is correct answer. Statement A is true. Option B. Every whole number has predecessor. 0 is whole number but it has no predecessor. So B option is false. 0 is a least whole number. 0 is least whole number. This is also right answer. Every natural number is a whole number. Natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So natural number are whole number. D is also correct statement. Only B is incorrect. So B option is correct answer. Question 6. Every natural number is the successor of whole number. Option A is right. Question number 7. If A and B are two whole numbers, then commutative law is applicable on subtraction if and only if dash. Subtraction of whole number is neither commutative nor associative. If 6 minus 8 minus 6, but it is not equal to 6 minus 8 is minus 2 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is not equal to. So it is possible only when A is equal to B. So A is right answer. Question number 8. Which property states that the sum of any two whole number is always a whole number? Closure property states that the sum of any two whole number is always a whole number. So B is right answer. Question number 9. Compare and fill the box. 795 into 999 plus 795. This is on left side. Another side 887 into 10 into 461 minus 361 into 8870. Let's solve first left hand side. Left hand side is 795 into 999 plus 795. So first we take 795 as a common. 795 into 999 here plus 1. This is based on distributive law of multiplication over addition. So now we solve this. 795 into 999 plus 1, 1000, and this multiplication will come 7,95,000. Now we will solve the other side. Other side, 887 into 10 into 461 minus 361 into 8870. Now we first solve this. 887 into 10, 8870 into 461 minus 361 into 8870. Now we take common. 887 into 461 minus 361. This 887 we take as a common. Now 461 minus 361, 100, and this multiplication will give this. This give 795,000 and this give 887,000. Then which is the bigger? So B is right answer. Now question number 10. Which of the following is not true? Option A. 7 plus 8 in bracket plus 9 is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 9. This is true statement. It is based on associative law of addition. Option B. It is also true statement. It is based on associative law of multiplication. Option C. This is incorrect statement. And option D. It is based on distributive law of multiplication over addition, and it is correct statement. Now we solve this C1 to check. Here by applying Demas rule, we first do multiplication. 8 into 9 is 72. 72 plus 7 is 79 is equal to, here 7 plus 8 15 and 7 plus 9 16, and 15 into 16 240. So it is incorrect. This statement is not true. C, option C is right answer. Question number 11. What does the given number line represent? Here 0 plus 2 gives 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So B answer is correct. Question number 12. Which of the following operations satisfy the associative law for whole number? Associative law for whole number is applicable only for addition and multiplication. So D is right answer. Question number 13. The whole number which does not have a predecessor is dash. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 0 is a least whole number and does not have predecessor. C is correct answer. Question number 14. Additive identity of whole number is Law of existence of additive identity is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. 0 is called the additive identity for whole number. So B is right answer. Question number 15. If A is equal to 35, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 23, then find A into C minus B. A is 35, C is 23 and B is 11. So we first solve this bracket. 35 into 23 minus 11 is 12 and 35 into 12 is 420. So answer D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.